Alright, I'm going to teach you how to fix Model 3 keyboard keys. They have some problems, I'll show you, but first I got to boot this into Model 3 Basic. Should boot now, and yep, that's Model 3. Okay, as you can see, all the other keys work. I fixed most of them. Only got the spacebar left. As you can see, spacebar doesn't work. It's not spacing the cursor at all. So we're gonna fix that. Alright, so to fix these keys, you gotta desolder them, and of course use a desoldering pump. This is my spacebar key. Oh, that one didn't do well. Try again. It's better. Oh, is this thing clogging? To the solder. There we go. Nice. Now we're getting faster. Let's make sure connections are loose, and they are. Okay, so now the trick I do when I'm getting one of these keys out, I go pry from under the key. Yep, and then that pops out, and then you get the clip, and it's out. Simple as that. Now you open it by getting these two pry points off, like that, and like that, and then you're in. Let's take it out. This rubber dome piece is what's got the contact on it, and these get oxidized. They're a graphite coating. Yeah, just the trick is, I don't know how long this will last, this repair, but I'm not gonna find my fucking. Oh well, I got enough sandpaper. I can get another piece. Get a piece of sandpaper and you sand it. Not too much because there's only so much of the coating on there, and then. Oh, and what I also do, I grab a pencil eraser and I clean the contacts inside. It leaves it nice and shiny. Possibly part of that is most of its problem. And then you put it back in. Spring back in. Put your presser key back in. And then this back on top. Now you test it. Got my continuity meter here. It'll tell me if it's making continuity. Let's take a look here. And it works. See? Just corrosion. Sand it off. And then when you're done that, grab your keyboard and you pop it back in. Might have been that way. No, it was pop back in. Just like that, and then you solder. Now, that spacebar key should work. 1 minute. Now let's test it. Enter. Let's see if it backspace. Ah, there we go. It works. Now we have a working space key. Alright, thank you for watching this little tutorial on how to fix your Model 3 TRS-80 Model 3 keyboard keys. It's very simple. Nice quick tutorial. And I just got 4 of these done in an hour in about a few minutes or so. An hour, a few minutes. Yeah, I already got these done in like 15 minutes. Well, 4 of the keys on this side. Now I have 4 more on the keypad that I gotta do. But yeah, thank you for watching.